Hi again, General Math students. We're going to continue this example with this computer equipment that's being depreciated. We use this example to introduce reducing balance depreciation. We're going to continue and do a comparison between reducing balance and straight line depreciation. So you have completed some work on straight line depreciation to this point in time. Perhaps you're feeling confident enough now to go ahead and actually do this example first and then check with the answers that I get. So I'll give you an opportunity to pause the video at this stage, and then I'll have a go at it afterwards, and you can check your answers against mine. Or you can just wait and just watch what I do and follow along. Okay, I'm going to have a go at it now. So we've got a straight line method, 15% of the purchase price. So that's the alternative method of depreciation here. So general formula is V equals negative dn plus c. So the amount of depreciation, the D, is 0.15 times the purchase price, 3,000. 0.15 by 3,000 is 450. So we're going to be going down by 450 each year in this case. So V equals negative 450. We're doing it after 6 years. So times 6 plus 3,000 is our C value, the purchase price. So let's have a go at that. Negative 450 by 6 plus 3,000 is $300. Okay, so the equipment will be worth $300 after 6 years by the straight line method. Okay, I'll just do a quick start to the table. Like I said, you've done straight line depreciation before watching this video, so it should be reasonably familiar. But let's just get you started. So the depreciation each year is 450. That's just going to be the same this year for the accumulated. So the value at the end of the year for this equipment, we take 450 off 3,000, we get 2,550. And then that carries over to this year. We take another 450, which accumulates to 900 total, and we get 2,100, and so forth. Okay, so if you didn't pause the video earlier, I'll give you a moment just to do it now and see if you can complete the table. Then I'll show you the completed table just a few moments. Okay, I'm going to show you that completed table now. Here it is. Righto, now I'm just going to zoom out so we can see the reducing balance as well. I'll just shift them a little bit closer to one another so we can do the comparison and make it big enough. Okay, so just a question here, like if you follow the question subsequent to this video that's listed as the questions to try, you've got to identify which year the methods sort of cross over, or when one method becomes less than the other. So what I'm saying here is, like, straight line method is clearly the depreciation is less, so the value is more. Depreciation is less, the value is more to a certain point. So in the first year of depreciation for reducing balance, it goes down to 2,250, all right, 2,250, whereas in the first year for straight line, it's 2,550. So it's going to have this sort of look where the reducing balance is going to go down quickly with a curve sort of shape, and the straight line method goes down like this. So we want to know what year is this crossover occurring. Now, if we look at this, in year 5, the reducing balance is at 711.22, and the straight line method is at 750, so the straight line method is still a bit above. But in the next year, the straight line method is down to 300, whereas the reducing balance is only 500. So only gone down to 500. So it's like that's where the crossover has occurred. Can you see that? So it's gone from where straight line was at 750, was higher than the reducing balance. It switched over during year 5. That's where a switchover occurs. So when you try that question after the video, try to use the table to identify when that switchover has occurred. Other than that, you can go ahead and have a look at that question now. Thanks for watching.